Hey guys, my name is Apoor Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos related to fitness, fashion and lot of other stuff which you don't want to miss out. We all have heard about how books can impact our mind, and if you read the right one, it can change your perspective completely. Today I'll be telling you guys top 5 books which I feel like everyone should read because they are really impactful and powerful. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. So this will be the only fictional book in today's video, and it is called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So this is what got me into reading. I'm not a big reader at all, but I try to read at least one book in every 2 or 3 months. So first time I read this book was around 6 years back, if I am not mistaken. I was a kid back then, so I didn't really understand the meaning behind it. After that I read it again like 2 years ago, and man, what a book. The story is about Santiago, a shepherd, and it focuses on pursuing your dreams by following your heart. One of my favorite quotes from this book is, if you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. Yup, the dialogue from Om Shanti Om of SRK comes from here. So if you are new to reading, it's always better to choose a fictional book since you will not get bored this way. And The Alchemist is one of the best books out there, so do check it out. Now the second book which everyone should read is quite a popular one, and it's really easy to read. I'm pretty sure you have at least seen one of your friend reading it. It is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. My favorite line from this book is, we are always choosing, willingly or unwillingly, are the makers of our own choice. Look man, we all have bad moments sometimes. Life just sucks and shit happens, but it's up to us how we look at it. Either we can bitch about it or move the fuck on with it. A lot of examples have also been made about fitness in this book in a blunt way. So if you are someone who is always procrastinating, not able to make a decision, wasting your time, then I would highly recommend you reading this. Now with it, the third book which everyone should read is called 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. I just finished this book like a week ago, and let me tell you, it's not your usual book. It's dark, it's manipulative if you use it the wrong way. If you are someone who is interested in the psychology and stuff and how the human brain makes a decision, then I would highly recommend you reading this. As the name suggests, it gives you 48 laws to follow, and it also relates it with history, which is kinda interesting. Something different, but don't read it if it's your first or even second time, because it is hard to digest. Now the fourth book which is really interesting is this one, Barking Up the Wrong Tree by Eric Barker. I don't think this book is as popular as the other one in this video. I just ordered it because the title was really interesting. Just look at it, the surprising science behind why everything you know about success is mostly wrong. Barking Up the Wrong Tree. And man, I was surprised. It shows both sides of everything, which really happens in self-help books. Laid out all the steps which you need to follow in order to get successful. It also tells us about a lot of successful people in different fields. My favorite quote from this book was, the only place where success comes before work is only in the dictionary. Now the fifth book which I feel like everyone should read is Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. Ryan has written a lot of great books, from Stillness is the Key, The Daily Stoic, but I found The Ego is the Enemy one of the best. Especially someone like me who get arrogant sometimes and let ego hinder my progress. Divided into 3 sections, Aspire, Success and Failure, and the author goes deep in all of them. So it's really interesting. So these were the 5 books which I feel like everyone should read. You can order them on Amazon or just get an ebook. Daily try to read at least 30 minutes. It has improved me a lot as a person. If you want a part 2, then let me know. I can tell you some of my other favorite books as well. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.